Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I want to reveal a new item that I have bought, and we're also going to be fixing the E36 drift car, because as you probably saw in my previous video when I drifted that for the first time, well, we had a sort of an issue. Take a look at this. Yeah, that's right, the throttle cable actually locked up. And that's not good at all. So today I think it's time to actually fix that throttle cable. Before we do that, I want to reveal a new big thing that I have bought, and it's actually not a new car. I mean, I cannot buy new cars right now. I have way too many cars. I still have my compact also. The thing I have bought that some of you may have noticed, and I assume most of you not have noticed, it is actually that I have bought myself a new trailer. That's right. I bought myself a new trailer because I borrowed a trailer when I bought this car, and I don't know, if I'm going to be driving to tracker days and stuff like that, I think it's a good idea to have my own. So I actually found a quite cheap trailer. It's not in very good condition, but it's all right. This is a budget drifting lifestyle I'm getting myself into here, so I don't want to use too much money, but I think I will get my money back when I sell this. But I mean, I'm not sure, but I think I will. So here is actually the trailer. I bought a lock for it, and it's actually been an old rental trailer at a gas station, and the brand is actually called Gaupen, as you see right there, and it's a 2014 model. Actually, it's okay to drive with, but it does have a couple of issues, and the first one is that I can't get my car far enough in the front. It's too much weight in the back, and that makes it a kind of unstable to drive with. So today I think we can change some stuff in the front, so we will be able to get the car more forward, and then we will get the weight more forward, and then I think it will be much more stable, because if you have more weight in the back of a trailer like this, it will get unstable, start to wiggle like this when you drive. That's not a good idea. I'm excited that I finally have a trailer. I've been wanting that for quite some time. Like, if some of my cars would break down, it's always nice to have a trailer. Now I don't need to rent one or borrow one. I'm considering to also maybe like have some photo film stickers over there or something, or take that off. The issue today, as you see right here, is that the winch, or whatever it's called, which you pull the car forward with, you see right here, it is way too close to the front of the car, so I can't get the car any further towards me, so to the front. So today I hope we can fix that, so I will try to find a solution. I think I will put the winch further forward, so hopefully we'll get the E36 more to the front than it is right now. Issue is that one actually, and I think that I see an adjustment right there. I do see some threads. That means we can make this shorter, so I think I'll actually have this bracket longer down so it will not hit right there, and then we will just shorten it on the threads, and I actually think we'll be good. Then we will be able to get the car even more forward. Take that off. Let's loosen these and get this longer down, so it will not hit the bumper right there. So this is the most down I can actually get it without cutting that off and welding it on again lower down. And I don't want to do that because I think that's a lot of work and I do not trust my own welds with that job. I don't want to do that. But now it is longer down and it does work for this car. As you can see, that's the gap we have right there. Not much, but it's something, so it works. And if I want to have my car even further in front, I will have to actually take this off because that's in the way right now. As you can see, it has actually already been bent, so it's not in the best condition. But my idea is to perhaps actually remove that piece right there, move that thing 90 degrees from there to there. So it will go over to this thing right here and then over to there. For now, I just want to see if it worked with the length we got, because we got the car actually quite much more forward than we did earlier. So perhaps the trailer is more stable now, but I don't know. Time will tell when we go to the next track day. And now to the issue of the day, and that is actually to fix that throttle cable. So I have bought a new one, and now let's get to work. And I have actually already taken the throttle cable off the car, which you see right here. That's how this looks. So even though this is a sub-powered car right now, it does still use the original throttle cable. So I've actually been to the local BMW dealership and acquired myself a brand new throttle cable for a BMW E36 318i. So now let's mount this throttle cable and hopefully we can make a better solution than the previous one. I have bought this. Is some kind of insulation, you could say, that will, or heat wrap you could call it. So this will keep out the heat from the throttle cable, and it will have this like over the whole throttle cable. It will not look very good, but it will be practical and the throttle cable will work for many years, I hope. So let's just take this around the throttle cable. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is actually take the throttle cable, which I have right there, and then take it down through the firewall right here, and then it's a clips. It's really hard to see, but it's a clips down there into the firewall, and then you have to take it onto the gas pedal. But now let's get that around and find a good solution to mount it over there. Okay, so here we have it all mounted. If you have watched my previous videos when I actually mounted these right here and I tried to raise them a little bit, now this is simply too big. This thing will not be big enough for that big hose right there. So we are now actually going to be using some brackets kind of like that. Yeah, so homemade brackets. And if it works, it's cool. Look how much space up it is. That's spaced out. We like this. Very cool. So I just bought this really cheap. So here you can fabricate whatever you want. Really, really nice. Nice! Look at that. It's a drift car, so it doesn't matter. But if this, I think this will work. It's not a lot of force in this cable as well, so it doesn't matter. It's just to have it in place. Okay, now let's fire it up for the first time and see if the throttle cable is adjusted correctly. Success! Okay, now I'm going to actually drain the catch can to see if we got any blow-by that needs removing. So it's actually a valve on the bottom here, so we can just drain the oil, blow-by oil, right out of there. Okay, there is the valve right there. This is the bottom. So now let's open that up and get the oil out of there. Yep, there we go. Closed. Sweet! Now we got that out of the way. Oh, wow. Look at this sludge. Not good. Now the car is all good, it throttles and it's wrapped in some heat shield insulation thingy, so I hope that will work for the next track day. I don't really know, but I hope so, so we'll just have to test and see. And yeah, I'm excited that the car is back on track, so we are ready for the next track day. And that's not long actually, it's just in a couple of days, so I am really excited. I have also been changing like 10 tires lately, so we are ready for some more drifting with this thing. I am super excited. I really think I got the hang of it last time, and this time I want to challenge myself to try and drift even wider and have even more aggressive lines and stuff like that. If you are not subscribed already, go and subscribe to watch and get that notification when I post the next video with this car drifting for the second time. And let's hope it goes well. I thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!